Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make twisted donuts. In Japanese, we call it Twisted Doughnuts. It's a very popular snack that you can find it at almost any bakery. It's simple yet delicious. Kids love it. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Put all the ingredients except dry yeast in the bread pan. You can make the dough using a bread machine or a bread dough mixer. Put the bread pan into the bread machine. Put the dry yeast in the dry yeast dispenser. Choose the baking option. Select the bread type. Then start the machine. When it's done, lightly oil a large bowl. Form the dough into a bowl and place it in the bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap to keep the surface of the dough from drying out and leave to proof in a warm place until it has doubled or tripled in size. Now finger test. Divide it into 10 equal pieces. Quickly form them into balls. Place them on a baking sheet covered with plastic wrap to keep the surface of the dough from drying out, and rest for 10 minutes. Take one piece and form a rope with it. Roll the two ends in opposite directions, which means roll one side of the dough away from you and the other side towards you to create tension. Fold in half and lift it up. Then it turns by itself. Let it form 3/4 twists. Make sure you press the ends to seal them together. Place each donut on the parchment paper. In this way, you can keep the shape when you deep fry and leave to proof in a warm place for about 20 minutes or until they have doubled in size. Now deep fry until golden brown. Put the donut in a plastic bag with granulated sugar, then toss to coat.
Now it's done.
I have more bread recipes. I have a playlist on my channel, so please check it out. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Iただきます。本当に買ったみたいに美味しい。歯がないからね。
美味しい。
歯がないね。完全に歯がないから。
買ったよりも美味しい。皆さん、美味しいんですよ。じゃあね、お願いします。また明日ね。バイ。